How to set SMART goals and achieve them. Setting goals is a powerful way to gain clarity on what you want to achieve and map out the steps to reach your desired outcomes. However, not all goals are created equal. The SMART goal framework provides a structured and effective way to set and achieve objectives. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's dive into how to set SMART goals and take actionable steps to achieve them. 1. Understanding SMART goals. The SMART framework ensures your goals are clear, realistic, and actionable. Here's a breakdown of each component. Specific. A specific goal clearly defines what you want, why it's essential, and how you'll achieve it. Ambiguous goals like "I want to be successful" are hard to follow, but a specific goal like "I want to earn a promotion at work by increasing sales by 20% provides a clear direction. Measurable. A measurable goal includes criteria to track progress and determine success. This allows you to evaluate whether you're on the right track or need adjustments. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a measurable goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." Achievable. An achievable goal is realistic and attainable within your current resources and abilities. While it's good to aim high, setting a goal out of reach can lead to frustration. Assess your situation and ensure the goal is challenging but feasible. Relevant. A relevant goal aligns with your broader life objectives and values. It ensures that your efforts contribute to meaningful outcomes. For example, if your career goal is to become a manager, learning leadership skills is more relevant than mastering a hobby unrelated to work. Time-bound. A time-bound goal has a clear deadline or time frame. This sense of urgency motivates you to act and prevents procrastination. For example, "I want to save $5,000 for a vacation within 6 months" gives you a timeline to plan and execute. 2. Steps to set SMART goals. Step 1. Define your specific goal. Start by identifying exactly what you want to achieve. Be as detailed as possible. Instead of vague statements, focus on answering, "What do I want to accomplish? Why is this goal important to me? Who is involved? And what resources do I need?" Example, "I want to launch my freelance writing business to earn an additional $2,000 monthly to save for a house down payment." Step 2. Make it measurable. Quantify your goal so you can track progress. Identify metrics that indicate success and create milestones to celebrate along the way. Example, "I will secure 3 new clients per month, each paying $700 for writing projects." Step 3. Ensure it's achievable. Evaluate whether your goal is realistic. Break it into smaller, manageable steps and consider your current resources, skills, and time. Example, research freelance platforms for job opportunities. Develop a portfolio showcasing writing samples. Dedicate 10 hours a week to pitching and networking. Step 4. Check relevancy. Ask yourself how this goal aligns with your long-term vision or purpose. Relevance ensures your goal is worth pursuing. Example, saving for a house aligns with my long-term dream of financial stability and owning my own home. Step 5. Set a deadline. Attach a timeline to your goal. A deadline creates urgency and keeps you focused on completing tasks. Example, "I will achieve this goal within 6 months, starting on January 1st and ending on June 30th. 3. How to achieve SMART goals. Since you've set your SMART goals, the next step is taking action. Here are practical strategies to achieve them. 1. Break goals into smaller tasks. Significant goals can feel overwhelming. Divide your goal into smaller, actionable tasks with specific deadlines. Example, month 1. Build a portfolio and research potential clients. Month 2. Start pitching to 5 potential clients per week. Month 3. Secure at least 3 clients and begin delivering projects. 2. Create a plan of action. Develop a detailed roadmap that outlines each step needed to reach your goal. Include timelines, resources, and potential challenges. Example, use project management tools like Trello or Asana to organize tasks. Allocate specific time slots each week to focus on your goal. 3. Stay motivated. Motivation is key to achieving your goals. Keep your result in mind and celebrate small wins to stay encouraged. Strategies. Visualize success. Imagine how achieving your goal will improve your life. Reward yourself. Treat yourself after completing significant milestones. 4. Track progress regularly. Monitor your progress to ensure you're on track. If you encounter setbacks, adjust your approach while keeping your goal intact. Example, use a journal or app to record progress. Evaluate weekly or monthly to identify areas of improvement. 5. Seek support and accountability. Share your goals with friends, family, or a mentor who can offer encouragement and hold you accountable. Example, join online communities or groups related to your goal. Partner with someone who shares a similar goal to motivate each other. 6. Stay flexible. Life can be unpredictable, and circumstances may change. Be open to modifying your goal or timeline if necessary, but don't lose sight of your overall objective. 4. Overcoming common challenges. Achieving goals isn't always smooth sailing. Here's how to tackle everyday obstacles. Procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps and commit to starting, even if for a short period. Fear of failure. Focus on learning from mistakes rather than avoiding them. Lack of time. Prioritize tasks and eliminate unnecessary distractions. Losing motivation. Revisit your why and visualize the benefits of achieving your goal. 5. Examples of SMART goals. Here are a few examples to inspire your own SMART goals. 1. Career. I will complete a project management certification by July 2025 by studying 10 hours a week and passing the final exam. 2. Health. I will lose 15 pounds in 3 months by exercising 30 minutes daily and following a balanced diet. 3. Financial. I will save $10,000 for an emergency fund by setting aside $500 monthly over the next 20 months. 4. Personal growth. I will read 12 books this year by dedicating 30 minutes to reading each day. 5. Relationships. I will spend one evening a week with my family to strengthen our bond. 6. The benefits of SMART goal setting and achieving SMART goals offers numerous benefits. Clarity. You know exactly what you're working toward and how to get there. Focused. You prioritize actions that align with your objectives. Motivation. Clear milestones keep you engaged and motivated. Time management. Deadlines ensure you use your time effectively. Achievement. SMART goals turn your dreams into actionable plans, increasing your chances of success. 7. Final thought. SMART goals are a proven method for turning aspirations into reality. By creating specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you set yourself up for success. Remember, achieving your goals requires persistence, adaptability, and a commitment to self-improvement. Start today and take the first step toward the life you want to create. You can achieve anything you want with a clear plan and consistent effort.